Yeah, Matty from FSA Earthmoving. It's been a minute. Took last year, didn't really do a lot, kind of just chilled out, went back to work and just enjoyed having some days off. We started doing some motorbike stuff, bought an adventure bike, and yeah, just really focused on mining, which sounds ridiculous, but was part of a few records and kind of got that all happening, which is pretty cool. Still doing a couple of odd jobs up in here and there. Still come up to the farm a fair bit. I want to say fair bit, probably once a month. Miss the place. But today I'm going to go do a job, and because YouTube's yelling at me that I haven't done a video in a while, I thought, why don't you come along? So I got Eddie come down with me. We're still good mates. So he's going to come down, going to do some fencing and possible Kelpie work, which I'll let Eddie explain on the way down. So anyway, I'm just going to start loading up, get this little weapon out, and we'll be good to roll. Now I'm hoping, I got so much stuff I still need to go through. I kind of just packed up and left and got into work and kind of forgot that I still have so much stuff in here. Chainsaw. So the old boy bought the skid steer off me. Bought a lot of my stuff, to be honest. Bought all the attachments for it and things like that, so I can still do the odd jobs. But Dad's been using it a fair bit around the farm, obviously. And I'm guessing he's used it recently because there's a massive stick jammed up the back of it. Have to get that out. Here comes Eddie and his new weapon. He's finally got a ute. Watch out. How good it looks. Pretty cool. G'day, mate.
Got chest mount on. Oh, it's locked and loaded.
We're ready to roll.
We've got one in the chamber.
One in the chamber, ready to shoot.
Yeah.
Apparently got a bit of Kelpie work.
Holy cow.
I thought I'd let you explain what Kelpie work is, so let's sort her out. Mate, you can just park over there if you like.
Yeah, thanks, boss.
Yeah, you can get over there. A little bit late, but I won't chip you. So explain to everyone what Kelpie work is.
Kelpie work is, so pretty much, I guess the Kelpie,
the young
the
stud.
In the back of the carry, and Susie.
Yeah.
And yeah, usually it starts off with being invited out for a lovely day out. Usually lunch provided, and then for a nice.
He's not getting lunch today.
You're booked in to do fencing for a day.
Yeah.
And then you just find out last minute that
you're chasing cows.
Yeah, there's a bunch of cows that have gone through the paddock, and then 8 hours of fencing turns into 7 hours of chasing around, barking, getting cows back into their paddocks.
We have found the loose cow. Scissor, paper, rock, who chases it? Alright, game on. I'll push it this way. If you walk through here, I'll go through. I'll take the risky bit and go through the river.
You go to high country?
Yeah, and I'll try and push it. It might have just walked up the river, to be honest. Do not jinx us. We don't, you know what it's like when we're doing jobs? Starts off being one thing.
Well, that's usually when you have no reception. We can get messages off. So.
I know, how good's the new iPhone? iPhone technology and satellite. Yeah, I'll cut off a metre or so off that, and then we'll patch that front fence. I probably should have wore bloody jeans.
About 2006, I reckon.
Screams city slicker, doesn't it?
Yeah, it screams like
That's from...
70s.
What do you mean? It's
Well,
good.
it's got a pretty updated mower. on
Yeah,
it, actually.
that's from $5 from Bunnings, mate.
That's what. You were very well off. That's what you had in the 80s. That mower.
That's the mower I got at home. The old Victor. She'll cut the grass and your missus.
Yeah. Oh, that's right. They got the nozzle thing in there.
Yeah.
No, this is up spec.
Oh, mate, she's the best. She's just got topped up with fucking some fresh juice. She's ready to roll.
Well, I realised that I've been mixing 2 straight wrong my whole life.
Oh, here we go.
Because I thought if you wanted to mix 40 to 1, it was 40 ml of oil to 1 litre.
No.
Yeah, I realised that because I put 200 ml of oil to 5 litres of fuel, and that's why Hunter's Pee-wee's been smoking like a mofo. Like,
200 litres to what? 5 litres?
yeah. It's actually 25 ml per litre to mix 40 to 1.
Oh, now you got me. I forget.
Because I use an online calculator.
Yeah. Well, I mix Axis PE 32 to 1, and it's 469 to 15 litres. Or 460 is good one. It's only pine, so it's pretty light. Burns pretty good, but no ash, easy to light up. Probably next time I bring a tractor down, stack it all up and just chuck it in the bonfire over the back. We've got that much wood over there that we cut up once before, so we don't have far to go. I don't know what I was thinking wearing shorts. Never used to wear shorts. Maybe go walk through. Scream Snake City, right? Let's hope they're not awake yet. Bastard. Alright. Just to go back and get some tools. You get that's what happens when you don't bloody bring everything. I miss my truck. Ah, look at you go. Using the 1972.
Not a twisty in sight.
Oh no.
Oh, I used one actually.
You've come a long way, to be honest.
Where that cow jumped through.
Oh, I did, but
There and that top one. Yeah, that one was broken actually, so I just patched that one and pulled it tight,
Mint.
and then
Is this the
I
last
tried
bit?
to find the twisty out of this, but it must have snapped on the twisty.
Ah, right.
But
What are these life skills you've got now?
that's it. You can build bridges to get over things.
We can
Good at patching things up.
we fall through
When there's a
bridges.
bust up. Fall through bridges. Yeah, that's it.
Through.
Get
It's always
bogged.
good. Get bogged. Yeah, we're good at
Yeah,
that.
we're pretty good at that.
Pretty good at breaking stuff.
Yeah, breaking stuff before we get to places.
I just snapped the chain, or not snapped chain, through a chain. So I'm just coming down and grab a shifter. But you're nearly done.
Yeah, well, see, I'm absolute professional, mate. You know, when you call the best.
Well, that's why
It pays to have the experience.
I know.
So
I wouldn't call anyone else, mate.
nah.
You just hold. I just hold one on my phone and it goes straight to you.
Exactly right. Speed dial.
Speed dial.
Okay.
Bloody hell. I told him we'll walk all this bottom boundary all the way through and around and stuff, and have a suss. But
Yeah, it's looking alright actually.
yeah, I wonder if it's just come up the river. If their fence is down over there somewhere.
Yeah, well, it can walk under that bridge.
Yeah.
The river's low as.
Yeah, I know. So
I'd say that's what's happened, eh? To be honest.
it's the only way
It's
I
the
can
only
work
way it
out.
would have come in.
But yeah, we'll go for a walk once you've done this.
Oh.
I'll patch that try and fix that chainsaw so I can slice up that one. The one up the hill, I got halfway, I was through just doing one more. I thought, oh, I'll just do one more cut. It's always the one more cut. And just spat the chain, so. Big girl. Well done. I'm a 4 now, mate.
What's this?
Oh, she might be.
This is
She might
it.
might be pushing the limits over there. She gets a bit wild.
You need to put some traps on this.
You want to air down?
Tractor tyres on it.
Well, air down, you reckon? Yeah.
I wasn't sure if you're backing up or if that was a sign of commitment.
Alright. I don't know the limits of
that's
her.
it.
We're not about to find her out today.
No, we don't.
I don't feel like you and I rolling in this cab would be real crash hot.
No, I think this thing would fold like a can.
I reckon.
There's not much leg room for it to get squished up in here either.
No,
It's hot enough just sitting in
just
here.
sitting in it. Oh,
What's that?
chainsaw?
No.
It's nothing else.
Anyways, we're all good. Probably should walk sit in the
Yeah.
car.
Yeah. Right.
Getting a bit closer.
Alright, well, bourbon's not going to drink itself. Thanks for watching, guys. Back real soon, hopefully. That's the plan this year, is to try and do some videos on both accounts. So we've got 2 wheels out back, F.S.A. Earthmoving. That's all I've got now, I think.
2, 1, 2.
2, 1, 2, yeah. So I can still count. There we go. Alright, see you later.